everybody. It's now May 29th, 2019. It's 8:08 in the evening. So I'm just taking a ride. Malibu and I just ran to the store. So, but I just want to tell everybody, this is kind of a shout out to Hush Puppy channel and Soul Evolution. Check them out, guys. If you're subbed to me, please check them out. Awesome channels. Personally, I kind of feel personally that I know Hush Puppy, but we talk, so he's a good friend. We don't talk, but good channel, everybody. So subs, check them out, please. Yeah, and right now, that's my sky. I'm gonna roll my window down. We're coming up to the usual spot, everybody. Usually where I film. I'm just gonna stop for a second. Hey, Jim S. Hey, you haven't put a video out, bro, in the last few days. What's up? Hope you're good, bro. Stop right here a second. I mean, look at that, everybody. What's that sunset gonna look like? But yeah, anyways, check Hush Puppy out, everybody. I mean, he explains a lot. There's a lot I didn't even know. And I've been filming this guy for a long time, so but check him out. So with that, we'll let it go, everybody. Maybe Malibu, and I'll make it out a little bit later. Gotta wait and see on that. And I doubt it, so. Working nights, I can't stay up and film. But I'll get you something good in the morning, hopefully. It stays like this. I'll connect that with that stuff that's gliding in the sky. That Hush Puppy shows. We'll get the scorpion tail. We'll get the big piece, hopefully. So, with that, everybody, I'm going to let it go now. So, thanks for watching our skies today. And keep safe. I plan on doing a lot more, everybody. So, just pay attention, skies. God bless y'all. With that, I'm going to say good night. Almost home. That's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. God bless. Keep safe. Eyes to the skies.